Okay, so this is the day after, maybe 2 days after, I don't know. Doesn't matter. Anyways, so this is that remaining sheet here. This is that free tarp you get from Harbor Freight. And so again, I just kind of wanted to get a rough idea because this is big enough for my generator, and it's also big enough for my parts washer. So this is plenty big enough for me to basically fold this in half and cut it down the center, and I'll have a little bit extra on every side. That's D'Artagnan. And as you can tell, this was all folded up, so this was folded in the middle. So basically all I need to do is just follow this crease line, and it should get us where we need to be. So alright, hang on. And on this, if we wanted, we could cut off this border, but it's fine. Alright. Well, not the prettiest thing in the world, but you know what? We're going for form, not function. No, we're going for function, not form. Yeah, function, not form. So, yeah, so this will help protect and keep out some of the water. So that's done. And then typically I'll just put something heavy on top so it doesn't blow away or nothing. Alright, and I don't know when we did the video on this. It was several months ago. So let's just see if it runs. It's becoming fall. It's almost close to the end of October and starting to get cold. So let's just see if we can make this run. Son of a diddly. I've been looking for this whole time. Let me show you what I did. I bought two more. One with a straight boot, one with a 90-degree. Dang it. Oh, it's good. Always got to back up. And typically right before it dies, I'll put choke on it just to try to suck up some more of that fuel. Alright, there we go. We'll go look at the tractor now that it's light outside. Got a bottle under this. This is the load level indicator thing. Usually it's just a rod. So I put a Gatorade bottle on top of it just to kind of spread the load out so it's not so sharp of an edge. Got it attached here. Then a couple spots here. Probably should have came back just a little bit, but it should be fine. Alright, and then I just got them on the corner, wrapping around, hooking up to the tractor. So this does typically collect water, but hopefully this is thick enough to where the water will just run straight off and not pull up. Usually it will pull up right here, and then it'll kind of sink down, and a bunch of water doesn't really hurt anything, but it does put extra stress and tension on everything else. So hopefully that'll just it'll be thick enough to where it can just run off. And then same thing for that side. Alright, y'all comment, rate. We'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. See ya.